Hello everyone! So now, samahan niyo akong mag-bake ng cake. First step is we need to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's good, so now we can start. So we're going to mix the cake powder, the water, 1 cup of water rather, 3 eggs, and then 1/2 cup of oil. According to the instruction. And then the instruction, mix. Shake. Ha? Yun na yun. So, nangangalay ako. Then, that's malapot na siya. So, ready to cook. After that, ay okay na at ilalagay natin siya sa oven. So, we will wait for 20 to 30 minutes, I guess, para maluto siya. Here's the finished product, guys. Ang daming tusok kasi check ako ng check. I'm sorry. And yeah, thank you.